All credit for this episode goes out to Unreal Gaming. In appreciation for the inspiration for drawing this amazing fusion. Question: what fusion are we drawing? Tonight we're drawing the fusion of Moro and Black Armor Janemba. This is what Moro looks like. Here's his upper half. First, we start off with the dragon's face. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Basically, this is what Moro looks like at his old age when he's fused with Janemba Reborn. Like I've mentioned before, his real name is Black Armor Janemba. The real name... He was created by Dr. W, whose real name is Dr. Wheelo. Wacky, huh? I didn't know that was his real name. I always thought it was named New Janemba. Yeah? Anyway, we got the horns in the front, the horns in the back. Now we draw Demigrod's... Oh, I meant to say Moro's chest. I heard that Goku's battling against the strongest. And in my honest opinion, maybe Budo should have transformed into this fusion instead of the other form involving Moro. You're happy to watch that as well. Here's his black body armor. Next, we draw his hair and the spikes sticking out of his... Here's his clothes. Here we go! There we go. Here's his arm. There we go. That is how you draw the Black Armor Janemba Moro fusion. I feel like his name should be called Jamoro or more Nimba. No, Jamoro's better. To watch more about this fusion, you can check out Unreal Ed Gaming. But you guys are. This guy is a genius when it comes to Dragon Ball Xenoverse mods. If you want to find out how to draw these mods, you guys are happy to come to my channel anytime, anywhere. Anyway, there are more Moro fusions like this on my page. You can check it out if you want. See you later.